Learn introducing yourself in English. Step 1. Begin with greetings of the day. Listen and repeat after me.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello.
Step 2. Continue with your name. Listen and repeat after me.
My name is. I am. My name is Uday Patil. I'm Asha Desai. My name is Manohar Kapoor. I'm Nitin Bose.
Step 3. More information about yourself. Listen and repeat after me.
I'm studying in the 9th standard at Chandargi Sports School. I'm a science teacher at Model English High School. I'm an administrative officer at the Rural Development Centre. I work for Apex Cooperative Bank as an accountant. I work for Teletech as a project manager.
Step 4. Listen to what you have learnt and repeat them once again.
Hello, I'm Uday Patil. I'm studying in the 9th standard at Chandargi Sports School.
Good morning. My name is Asha Desai. I'm a science teacher at Model English High School.
Good evening. I'm Manohar Kapoor. I work for the Cooperative Bank as an accountant. Good afternoon. My name is Nitin Bose. I'm a project manager with Teletech.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, press the like button and share.